C to copy, and then we're going to go back to OBS. And what we're going to want to do is set up a custom doc, which I already have set up, but what you're going to want to do is go up to View, Docs, Custom Browser Docs. And as you can see, I already have one set up, so you're just going to give it a name, and then you're going to Control V to paste it, and hit Apply. So what that's going to do is that's going to then populate that right here, just like how you see mine. Since I already had it set up, it didn't go and populate it, but it was already there. Now what we need to do is take this and bring it over here into our chat area. So we're going to find our source that we have for our chat, and I have mine labeled as YouTube chat browser source. So I'm going to right click, go to properties, and since it's blank, we're going to go and do Control V, hit OK, and there we go. So go and do Control V. So we're going to find our source that we have for our chat, and I have mine labeled as YouTube chat browser source. So I'm going to right click, go to properties, and since it's blank, we're going to have for our chat, and I have mine labeled as YouTube chat browser source. So I'm going to right click, go to properties, and since it's blank, we're going to go and do Control V. hit OK, and there we go. So I'm going to type in here in the chat. I'm just going to say hi. And then there it is right there. So every time you have to stream, you have to go and set this up. So that's the only downside to it. So it's easy to set up. It's just tedious to have to constantly do it over and over and over again because the stream chat and everything changes every time you start a new stream. So that is the only downside to it, but that is at least your workaround for it. And obviously you can still go through the other stuff I've mentioned in my other video about the chat box where you can go and resize it and everything like that. So definitely go ahead and take a look at that video if you guys need any help with that. But I wanted to at least show you guys how to do the custom doc for the chat, especially for those of us who stream over on YouTube, because this is like the only way I've been able to figure a workaround for it. But if you guys know a workaround that works better, let me know in the comment section below. I'll give it a try. And if it works a lot easier and a lot better, I have no problem sharing it with everybody else and even using it for my own self. But anyways, if you guys are new to the channel and you're wanting to learn about the tech side of streaming, be sure to go ahead and subscribe, click the bell icon, make sure you like this video, and I'll see you guys either on a live stream here over on YouTube or in the next video. But thank you so much for watching, and take care.
We're Crockedoodles, and we provide our Labradoodle and mini Labradoodle pups a loving forever home. Labradoodles are loyal and responsible. Golden Doodles want to be best friends with everyone, whereas Labradoodles are typically friendly and loyal to their family. When you think of your high school class, the Golden Doodle would be like Mr. Popular, maybe the class clown. The Labradoodle would be like the class president, Mr. Responsible. Labradoodles love having a job to do, and they are very eager to please. Our F1B Labradoodles usually have low to non-shedding hypoallergenic coats. Although we offer a variety of colors, we specialize in chocolate and red. These adorable dogs have a high aptitude for learning and are one of the world's most popular service dogs, providing comfort and care to their partners. We are thrilled when our Labradoodle pups are matched as a service dog. If you're searching for a pet for a family with young children or for a sweet companion for an older couple, a Labradoodle would be an excellent choice. Deposits with Crockedoodles are extremely flexible. Your deposit can apply to any puppy in our network. You can pass on as many litters as you want, and you'll never be locked into one litter. Most families adopt their ideal puppy within 1 to 4 months of placing a deposit, and our 3-year health guarantee is one of the best in the business. We're one of the only breeders who offers a fully refundable deposit. Your deposit can be refunded at any time for any reason. Visit crockedoodles.com to learn why our Labradoodle and mini Labradoodle pups are some of the best in the nation. As you read about our healthy, family-raised puppies, you might find your own forever friend.
Nakabahan na ako. Tara na po. Hanggang kong lagi ay makita ka. Good morning! What's up, madlang people? Ako po si Darren Espanto. Gusto ko pong gawing mas special ang inyong umaga, so meron po akong kanta para lang po sa inyong lahat. Here we go!
Kamusta po kayo? Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, pwede nyo na pong gamitin ang inyong MasterCard as your mode of payment. Right ka lang, it's as easy as tap and go.
This is Teacher Jurcel, everyone! So napaka-special po talaga nitong araw na to para dito sa bus terminal, dito sa EDSA Ayala.
you.